Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of green innovation in Scopus database. Authors of the paper are Divya John, Assistant Professor of Commerce, St. Thomas College, Puthankurcha, and Dr. Vineet KM, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Tripunithura. Since the Industrial Revolution, the environmental effect as a result of ever-increasing industrial operations has been a rising worldwide concern. To address such environmental harm, corrective actions have been enacted throughout the previous few decades. It is vital to take a proactive approach to environmental contamination in order to save the planet we live in. Environmental management principles such as green management, green marketing, green manufacturing, and green innovation, among others, are now being explored in order to alleviate the issues of environmental contamination. The rise of international regulations also play a significant impact in this part of the world. The green innovation performance is defined by Shen as the performance of hardware and software involved in a company's innovation in relation to green products or processes such as energy saving, pollution prevention, waste recycling, green product designs, or corporate environmental management. He also categorized green innovation performance into two categories: green product innovation performance and green process innovation performance. Green innovation is used to improve environmental management performance in order to meet environmental protection requirements, and enterprises can utilize green innovation to offset environmental cost by increasing resource productivity. Coming to the statement of the problem, bibliometric analysis of any topic would give us idea regarding the most important articles, authors, and sources in that particular area. This paper is also aimed at to find out that. This paper attempts to present a concise report of the bibliometric analysis results of the articles in the area of green innovation as a keyword in Scopus database. Green innovation, though being an active field of study, reasonable volume of literature, 8,179 documents, could be traced from the Scopus database for the period from 1931 to 2021. The most prominent authors, sources, etc. are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. Table 1 shows the most important authors in the particular area, especially from Google Scholar. Y.S. Shen is found to be the most prominent author with maximum citations in this field as per the metrics. One could easily understand the importance of citations in research publication also. Coming to the documents by year in Scopus database, we could see that in the post-2000 era, that is the 21st century, we could see an enormous increase in the number of articles produced. The year of 2021 is also expected to produce more articles than 2020. Documents by year by source evaluated, and we could see that the Journal of Cleaner Production, Sustainability Journal from Switzerland, EOP Conference Series Earth and Environmental Science, Business Strategy and the Environment, Advanced Material Research are the most prominent sources in this particular area. Considering the documents by author, one could see that Sheng H.T., Anastas P.T. and Mazzanti M. are the top 3 authors by documents produced so far. The top 10 authors are listed, and we could see that there are at least 10 papers from each author in this top 10 list. Documents by affiliation is examined, and we could see that the Chinese Academy of Sciences is heading the list with maximum number of papers. The top 10 list could see that no Indian institution is in the list. Coming to the top 10 contributing countries, China is overtaken US in this particular topic, and followed by UK, Italy. India is also a considerable contributor, as even though not in affiliating institutions. Then Germany, Australia, France, Malaysia, and Netherlands are part of the same. Considering the type of documents, 58% of the documents are research articles and 21% of the documents are conference papers, being this one of those most vitally presented topic overall of the world. Coming to the importance of the same topic into the subject areas, we could see that it is equally important at engineering, environmental sciences, and business management, including social sciences. And the other relevant fields are also taking the similar term because of the multidisciplinary nature of green innovation. Because of its vast and necessary uses, as well as environmental awareness and service delivery of green goods and applications, green innovation literature has grown and increased over the last few decades. The literature is growing with much pace. Bibliometric analysis also provides insights to trend in the field along with the most frequent keywords. More research is to happen from other countries, including India. Thank you very much for your patient listening.